Okay, today we're looking at the microgrid, the i.e. smaller time frame, and what we're attempting to do, capture 5 or 10 points. Now, Big Diamond, when he trades, he'll trade for a point or two. A trader in Europe, called the flipper, he'll trade bonds for an eighth of a point. Now, all we're trying to do, again, is to capture a profit. What we're looking at is chaos. And the theory of growth and decay applies to chaos. When a initial condition presents itself right here, which I pointed out over the weekend, okay, we have a typical decaying cost right here, okay. I began to label the fractals for you so you can see them very easily. Here's the bottom of the fractal. Here's the top. It did attempt on a 5-minute time frame to go up, but the top is still holding. So I'm assuming the trend is going to be down. But I grabbed the 12 points here. Okay, it's a trade. Now on the 3-minute time frame, day traders, you have a typical decaying fractal here. You could went long here, take a profit here. On the 3-minute time frame, the bottom did hold within pennies. Okay, now sometimes that will happen. Likewise here too. You got a few pennies. Okay, you have to wait for the break. All right, that's from Dick Williams. Uh, he came up with the idea of fractal bottoms and fractal tops. But however, he mentioned you have to wait if you're trading on a daily, weekly. It may be a day or two until you get a good confirmation. Now, for day trading here, okay, you have to wait maybe 10, 15, 20, half hour until you do a trade. Now, looking at the 15-minute time frame, we have a typical growth fractal. Uh, it turned up. Okay, notice the spike right up. Right now, too late to get in there. However, if we break the bottom here at F, the trend will continue to go down, and the 15-minute time frame will complement the 5-minute time frame. The 5-minute time frame still struggling here. Okay, so you have to keep your eye on it. But we have a profit already on a trade, so we look for another clear trade. The other time frames, you ignore them. Okay, I closed them. And what we're looking at now probably would be the 15-minute time frame. That's pretty clear. We break here, the trend will be down. The top of the fractal is here. We go above that, the trend will be down. Okay, so the market is always growing and decaying. Okay, uh, if you get some clouds, it begins to rain. How long will it begin or continue to rain? We don't know until the initial condition of the rain, okay, is terminated by the sun coming out. So your initial condition changes, and same with the market. Okay, you're going to have growth, you're going to have decay on every time frame and on every market. And all we're doing here, with new people who are on board, the trading objective again is to get to 5 or 10 points. You have all day to trade. You have tomorrow. You have the week. You have the month. All right. Don't get greedy. Grab 10 points and let it go. It's Neil. Go to his channel. He's pointing them out all the time for you. Okay. And now I'm beginning to label the fractals for you. So if you see a fractal like this, okay, high probability, No guarantee. You know, there's risk in the market. All right. This one here, uh, it broke above there. That could be a quick day trade. Again, 3 minutes. You gotta be kind of quick there. Okay, so uh, you move the frames around to find out what's going to happen next. Again, we're looking at growth and decay, and we do that all day long until we find a definite clear fractal. Okay, now I'm going to label them for you, and when you see a fractal like this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there might be a little throw over here, a couple pennies actually, okay? But you have to wait for that break to happen, okay? And when it does, it falls. Likewise here too. That was kind of quick. Um, would I want to trade that right now? Uh, no, we have no other time frames to uh, support that as evidence. Uh, However, if you're a gunslinger, maybe you put a stop here and go long. Okay, 5,500. You break above 5,502. You get a nice profit. Uh, we have a holiday during the week here. On Wednesday, I'll be taking the day off. I don't think too much is really going to happen yet, but again, you never know. You know, it may begin to rain again, or the sun might come out. We don't know. Okay, so all we're doing is looking for growth and decay. Okay? You've got the fractal. Your risk is defined. You know when you're going to be right. You know when you're going to be wrong. You're not going to blow up your account. You have to follow the rules. Okay. So again, use my examples here of labeling, and you'll get a good entry point. And they present on every time frame, on every day. We have the 1 minute time frame too. Um, but you really have to be on a ball to trade that. Um, that's possible too. But I do look at the 1 minute time frame. The 3 minute time frame is pretty good too. Okay. Um, but ordinarily, 5 minute time frame is pretty solid. If you look at the other time frames, there's nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. This one broke above the channel there from the other week. Look what happened. Okay. You break the channel, it turns up. Okay. Break the channel here, it turns down. This broke up. So when the initial conditions change, you're going to find a good spike. Okay. A good example right here. A typical decaying fractal gets turned down, and then we have a reversal, meaning the decaying fractal is going to begin to grow like a flower. Right? You're looking at flowers here, and you're looking at clouds. All right. Forget the numbers. We're looking at pictures here. Okay. Today we have a good picture. So again, made the trading objective for today, and what we're going to do now is wait until something else appears during the day. We have it till what, 4:15, 4:30. Uh, Plenty of time for a trade. Right now it's 10:30. The open, uh, a little bit crazy, but if you know what you're doing, you can manage it. Neil does a good job. He'll visually point out the fractals for you, and then I will label the fractals for you so you know exactly what's going to happen. One point I like to mention here. See this fractal here, ABCD? Okay, uh, this fractal here is the inverse of the 3-minute fractal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, uh, upside down. You're looking at you're looking at a picture. There's no need for technical analysis. You can use it. Uh, Now, if we break above A here, we're probably going to go higher. The market's pretty sloppy today, so we'll have to wait and see what happens during the day. But again, for new members, I will label the fractals for you and try to determine a likely turn. No guarantee. You know them. Uh, that's about it here for today. So again, it's about 10:30, June 17th, and we'll keep following the different time frames to find out if we can find another um, good turning point here. Now, this one broke above the channel, so we're going to play it now. Too much risk involved. You want to risk like we did last night here for a couple points, then you do the trade. Okay? And again, notice when the initial condition changes, the market will spike up. Right up here, right down here, uh, a little kiss here, when the rate comes up, that's when you know the fractal is going to change. It's all about growth and decay. Again, we're watching a flower grow. When we think in pictures, forget about numbers, indicators. You can use them, nothing wrong with that. But I think looking at a picture will define uh, the environment a little easier. Okay, Hank Wernicke signing off.